Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You have the data ready, so start by selecting the exact range you want to modify. First actionable step. Click the first cell, then shift-click the last cell, or press Ctrl plus Shift plus arrow to grab contiguous values. Make sure you know whether those cells contain raw numbers or formulas, because that affects which method to use next. Once done, create a quick backup column or duplicate the sheet so you can revert changes if necessary. This saves time and prevents mistakes. Now perform the main operation. Put the extra number in a spare cell, for example, type 5 or 0. 5, and press Enter. Next, copy that single cell with Ctrl plus C. Select your original target range again, then open Paste Special Ctrl plus Alt plus V and pick Operation Add. Click OK to apply. This method directly alters values without rewriting formulas. Make sure to use add, not multiply or subtract. Otherwise, you will change amounts incorrectly. Finish by spot-checking results. Use SUM or inspect a few sample cells to confirm the added number appears correctly. If you see wrong outputs because cells had formulas, press Ctrl plus Z to undo, then use a helper column with a formula like equals A1 plus 5 and fill down. This preserves original logic. Once satisfied, copy the helper column and paste values over the originals, then save to a new file. If something goes wrong, revert to your backup sheet and try the helper column approach.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.